Big board.
It's not having a light in the fire.
My name is Andrew, and I'm from T516. We are a part of an organization called FIRECRAFTER. The journey to the Mystic Fire begins here at summer camp. Candidates must attain the 3 ranks, Camper, Woodsman, and Firecrafter, before they can face the unknown test of the Mystic Fire. One such test is creating a fire by friction with all natural materials found at camp. You can earn these ranks only by doing your best.
Hey folks, just a little introduction. This is called the Firecrafter program. It's run by the Crossroads of America Council down in Indianapolis, but we really wanted to do a demonstration for you because we think this is super cool. So these guys are using what's called a bow drill method to literally start a fire by friction. If you ever have any interest in this and you want to bug us before we leave, we're happy to show you and give you a chance to try it out. And you can look it up online. If you look up fire by friction, it's actually a really simple process once you get the trick down. Now while these guys work on it, we're going to teach you a song. We have a song that we sing traditionally when we achieve ignition. Who knows the Great Chicago Fire? Yeah! Right? So for those of you who don't know, I'm going to sing it for you and then we'll do it again, right? So it goes, late last night while we were all in bed, Grandma lit the lantern in the shed, and when the cow kicked it over, she was here right inside of me at the time for the cow. Fire, fire, fire! All right, so everyone have it? How you guys doing? Good? Oh, we might have ignition. So,
You got smoke.
we're getting smoke. Everyone ready? 1, 2, 3. Late last night while we were all in bed, Grandma lit the lantern in the shed, and the cow kicked it over, she was here right inside of me. Outside of little towns. Fire, fire, fire! Thank you all. If you want to try this out yourselves before we leave, or if we're ever back at Owassipe again, just look for 516. We have tons of spare materials. We'd love to give you a demonstration and let you try it out yourself too.
Let's go, Lemon!
Smoking out of never. You got it. Who got it over here? I wasn't.